Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make kefir. It's very straightforward, fantastic source of probiotics, but just make sure you've had some prebiotics first please. Here we go. Here's my kefir. It's been sitting in this special jar for a couple of days. Take the top off. The important thing with kefir is that you avoid all metals. Just give it a stir. Use plastic or wood. Plastic filter. Plastic collecting. You can see it's quite thick. So kefir itself is made from a grain, and I'll show you some of them when we've finished. And this is a very nutritious source of a huge variety of probiotics. Tastes a bit like sour milk, and it has the consistency of runny yogurt. Just a small glass a day will really improve your gut health, and it's very, very easy to make up. Obviously, before I started this, I had washed my hands thoroughly. All of these utensils I'm using have been thoroughly cleaned. Right, if you just want to come in here. So this is what live kefir looks like. Amazingly nutritious. There's actually far too much here for this pot, and what I will do is after the next batch I'll break this down and give it to some friends and family. The other thing about kefir is that if you want it to switch off, just put it in the fridge and it can keep for up to a month in the fridge. Right, so whole milk. On this occasion it's Sainsbury's, but you can use any. The important thing is that it's whole milk. Simply just pour it into the jar. Put the top back on. Put it in a normal room temperature, if I can get the top on. There we go. Just give the jar a bit of a wipe. And that is how you make kefir. The rest obviously into a suitable container, pop it in the fridge. I always think it tastes better a bit cool, but it is as straightforward as that. Thank you. How to do kefir.